Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your Instagram lag problem on your app. Before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's get into it. If your Instagram app is lagging, then the first thing that you can make sure is that if your app is updated or not. So that could be one of the reasons. So you will simply go to your Play Store, then you will simply search in your app and you can check if that app is updated or not. So if it is not updated, that also can be the reason that the app is working really slow because it needs the update for it itself. So we'll simply see this update option instead of option called open. So simply once you update your app, then you can again start going back to your app, trying to use it. If it still shows the same problem again and again, then the other thing could be the storage thing. So you will just go to your settings option and go to this option called app, and then you will again go to this app. Then you can either scroll down and search the particular app. Then you will simply tap in the app information and go this the option called storage, and here you will see the clear cache option. So here you will just clear your cache files which you do not need, that also consuming some of the storage for Instagram itself. You will simply tap on that and now your cache is clear. Sometimes your device itself need to have available storage for your Instagram app because it requires a lot of storage even though it doesn't show that. So you have to make sure that you have storage available on your phone to let Instagram run freely. And the other thing that you can do is you will simply go to Play Store option, and here you can search Instagram Lite. So this is the other option that you can use instead of Instagram. If Instagram is generally not working, you can simply download this Instagram Lite version, which has all of the features as of Instagram and consumes the less storage on your phone. And you can install this application and then you can just log into it and then use it. So these are some of the problems that why you are having that lag problem on Instagram app. I hope this video will be able to solve your problems. And thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.